Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up File Explorer options on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11 computers. And if you're trying to modify your File Explorer settings, I'm going to show you guys how to open up those various options. And we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in File Explorer, and if you keep going, you could just type in options and then the setting should appear. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and open it up right here. And there you go. You have the File Explorer options open. And you have your various tabs you can adjust. Another way you can open it as well, if you actually open up File Explorer and you select the three-dotted icon at the top right, and then you select options, you just opened it up another way. And you can also open it up through the control panel. So if you open up search menu, type in control panel, go ahead and open that up. And then if you sort your view by large icons, you can select File Explorer options. So again, pretty straightforward. And hopefully that was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.